Data is the backbone of every business decision, and Prospecta is at the forefront of making it work. Recognized as a niche player in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for master data management, and trusted by Fortune 500 enterprises worldwide, Prospecta has built its reputation on solving the hardest data challenges at scale. As digital transformation accelerates, the pressure on master data has never been greater. Siloed records, broken quality rules, governance that can't keep up, and systems that simply won't connect. So the question isn't whether your data has a problem. It's what you are going to do about it. Introducing MDO, the converged, AI-driven data management platform. Built for the modern enterprise, ERP-agnostic and cloud-ready, MDO brings together analytical MDM to explore and remediate data issues, and operational MDM to govern data right at the source into one true converged platform. MDO powers the industries that keep the world moving, from mining, oil and gas, and utilities, to chemicals, automotive, consumer goods, retail, and services. MDO transforms how teams collaborate. The moment a supplier, contractor, or partner joins the ecosystem, they're instantly connected through one secure front door, where data is contributed, validated, and exchanged without the chaos of emails and spreadsheets. Designed to work across all data domains like materials, assets, finance, customers, suppliers, retail, and many more. All powered by Kai, the agentic AI layer of MDO with intelligent agents like the request, enrich, help, steward, and insight agents. Most platforms check rules. MDO's business rule framework shapes, guides, and governs data the way your business thinks. Wrapped around that core is a complete enterprise-ready capability set. Data quality assessment, AI, Excel-based bulk data management, automated workflows, API management, a 360-degree view of all record details, and customizable UI. Connect any ERP, cloud platform, or legacy system through MDO's open integration layer. Deploy it your way, on cloud or on-premise. Blind spots in your data are expensive. MDO makes sure you never have one. MDO's analytical MDM layer delivers exactly that. Record-level insights, configurable quality rules, and intuitive dashboards across every data domain. When data needs fixing, MDO's remediation capability does all the heavy lifting. Automated survivorship, duplicate detection and merge, auto-classification to UNSPSC, E-Class, and ISO 14224. And Kai's Enrich agent populates missing attributes automatically across any master data domain. The result? 90% straight-through remediation, 70% less manual cleansing effort. When it comes to managing change, MDO's operational MDM layer brings clarity and control. The request agent turns plain language input into validated, multi-object changes, backed by templates, approvals, and full auditability. The steward agent automatically enriches data and eliminates duplicates at the point of entry, while the help agent guides users through every step so nothing gets missed. MDO's open integration layer connects your entire tech stack. REST APIs, event-driven messaging, and pre-built connectors for multiple systems. Clean master data every single time. MDO, a converged AI-driven data management platform. Book your demo today.